What is up, everybody? This is Nico from Chicano Tech, and welcome to my third video in my Making Money Online mini-series. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys about AdFly. What you do, in essence, is just take a link, shorten it, you generate a new link, and with that link, a person who clicks on it will see an ad, and then you get paid for that. You can sign up. I have a link in the description. Open that in a new tab. There's no risk to it. You can cancel it at any time. You don't have to pay to sign up or anything. It's free. And you don't have to enter any sort of bank account details or information about your PayPal or anything until you're ready to get paid. So even if you're under the age of 18, you can sign up and then ask your parents about that stuff later. So here's how it works. So we're going to take a URL. You can paste it in here. So here's the YouTube channel URL. We can click view more options. If you want to change the domain, it doesn't matter. That will make a difference. You can click the advertising type if you want to have the standard, otherwise a frame banner, which will give you a little bit less, but will be a little bit less annoying, but you'll get a little bit less money. If you would just want to shorten the URL but don't want to make money off of it, then you can click no advert right here. If you wanted to give it a custom name on your link, which I recommend doing for all of them, like since this is my YouTube channel, let's just put channel link. And then we can click shrink URL, and as we can see, we get that custom name here since I added it. Otherwise, it would just be random numbers and letters right here. And then we can click copy with this URL. Then in a new tab, we can click on it to visit the site. And as we open this up in a new tab, we're going to see in the top right corner, we have to wait 3 seconds until we can click skip ad. So after you wait the 5 seconds total, you click skip ad. And as long as we visit this website and stay on the website for at least 5 seconds, then you can get paid. I just want to make that clear. The person has to click skip ad and they have to visit the actual URL for a minimum of 5 seconds. Otherwise, you don't get paid. Okay, so that's exactly how it works. Now that you guys know how to use it, here's how to use the actual website. So it's actually very, very simple here. So we can see the amount I got this month in March 2017. Earnings, and you can see the total views and total earnings. Using this information, assuming that your people are from high-paying countries, you can get money pretty fast. So if you have a lot of people from the United States, which will pay very high, you can get about 1 cent for 2 to 3 clicks. If you're in a high-paying country like the US, like I said. Otherwise, it might depend on your country, how much you get paid. So yeah, that's how this first page is. If we scroll down, we can see the links and how much we made on every single specific link. And yeah, if we go to the referrals tab, we can refer friends. They do give you a bonus. So if you have your friends sign up with the link, then they give you a bonus when they sign up. And again, I'll have mine in the description so you can sign up. There's a tools tab, which you can click. This is if you're a website owner. You can take full page scripts and other sorts of code that you can embed on the website. It's useful for if you have multiple links that you want to convert into AdFly links. You can use that, and again, like I said, adding scripts or code to your website. Under this withdrawal tab, you can withdraw, like I said. You need at least $5 to withdraw if you're using PayPal. However, according to Pioneer's policies, you need to have at least $10 before you can withdraw money. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do not need to enter any of the payment information until you are ready to take out the money. And you have to wait till the end of every single month in order to get the money that you earned that month. So once March is over, I can get my earnings on April 1st. Then there's the forum tab here where you can discuss issues, ask general questions. Feel free to leave a comment if you also have questions. I can help you, somebody else can help you. The support tab if you need to talk to them about issues regarding your account. Also, there's the account tab right here where you can make changes to your account if you seem to find that necessary. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You just shorten links, make money. So yeah, I have my link. Sign up in the description, open the link in the new tab, and you can get money pretty fast with this. Just put it on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you want to put them. And yeah, I hope this can help you guys get a lot of money. I like it. I hope you guys do too. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe.